You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than negative 53 over 5 greater than negative 103 over 5. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 7 over 5 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than negative 53 over 5 greater than negative 103 over 5.